Working with animals every day, it's really hard, but at the same time it's really rewarding because you see them happy and it's like the hugest thing you can get from it. The idea came I think few years ago, but it didn't come true till I met my boyfriend Edward. We shared the same idea to help animals. Zuika, our cow, is quite wild cow. She plays with a ball or sometimes with a big stick. She has 2 boyfriends. Romka is quite a badass sheep, actually. Dolis is more shy. If Oler would be a human, he would be a little angry man who goes around and shouts on everyone. Our laying hens, Olivia and Mimi, are chickens with attitude. We have 4 rabbits. They are fluffy, nice and beautiful. I love our rabbits. This is a place where animals can live free from harm, eat, chill, and enjoy their lives. But it wasn't always like that. Our meat chickens come from the factory farm. They were thrown to the bins and left to die. 2 laying hens came from egg farm. They had to be slaughtered. All rabbits, they lived in a really small area, practically in the dark. Their brothers, sisters, and mothers had been slaughtered. Oliver, he would still be living in a small area and he would be crazy and angry on all the world. He would just have a long and sad life. 2 sheep was like the lab rats. Zuika had to go to the slaughterhouse. Now these animals are not only safe and free, but they are on a great mission of educating people. We are trying to show these people that all animals are sentient beings, that they can be as curious and smart as a dog and cat. They all should be respected. The sad thing is that this place is not ours. We got it for temporary use and now it's for sale. But we really want to buy it because it's perfect for sanctuary. Why? Because it's located between 2 biggest Lithuania cities. There is a lot of land and it's for affordable price. So we really don't want to lose it. But you can make the change. Join our family and make the dream come true. Support animal happiness by liking and sharing this video, and you can be a hero of animal rights.